So fats are satiating, and it's not even just on a ketogenic diet, just in general, because they help to maintain stable blood sugar levels. So often you'll find when you eat a lot of carbohydrates, so for example, someone who's eating oatmeal and fruit and a glass of orange juice for breakfast, they are starving about an hour later. And that's because the carbohydrates are used so quickly, you end up getting this spike of energy and then crash, and now your body's looking for that next source of fuel. So you're starving, and this is where people can come a little bit hypoglycemic and they get a little shaky or hangry, that people will say. That's usually because they're needing more sugar, whereas fats create a much more stable, balanced blood sugar and insulin level as well. So they're much more, again, satiating and filling, and they keep that blood sugar level balanced so you don't end up getting spikes of energy throughout the day, and you stay much more consistent. I think a lot of people just fear fat. So most people are still afraid eating fat makes you fat, and we know that that's absolutely not the case. So no, eating fats and high healthy fats will not make you feel bloated. It's actually really great for digestion. People who have digestive issues, constipation, things like that, the fats are great for them. So it shouldn't make you feel bloated. The only people who might have an issue is if they don't have a gallbladder, because eating a high fat diet, you need your gallbladder to help break the fat down. So they just might need some digestive enzymes and things like that. But the fats are key in your diet.